Hello guys, we are here at Eden Park Future Resort. This is in Toril, Davao City. Of course, let's have a picture first. So this is the fishing village. The entrance fee is per head, and that is consumable for lunch. So you can either choose buffet or fishing village. We chose fishing village because it is cheaper, and we also had a lot of fun catching some fishes. The reason why we also chose this is because that I love fish. Those are my two grandmas. It is so fun catching fishes. These are my two cousins, Ate Eunice and Ate Rian. Oh no, the fish almost hit Ate Rian. So here, I catched the fish by myself. I'm so happy that I started jumping around and even accidentally smacked the fish into the chair. And then accidentally put it back into the water again. So my uncle, Tito June, decided to help me out because it was a bit heavy. Here, I'm teaching my mother how to catch the fish. And then we catched a lot of fish. And while they prepare our lunch, we went to the adventure area. Did you know, guys, this is a 75-hectare resort. Hi! Guys, this is the sky cycle. As you already guessed it, you will be cycling on literally like a line, like a cable line. It is so high that you will start screaming very hard that the whole resort can hear you. You really need to keep pedaling so you will keep moving. I did not ride this because I'm still afraid of heights. And once again, you have to go back.
Nahuli si Ivy. Ayun, si Ate Anel yung huli. Ate Evelyn.
Ate Valerie is there. Look. Look.
Yes, si Valerie pa nasa huli.
They stopped here for picture taking. This is their photo before parking the bicycle. Stop! This is another ride. It is known as the Sky Rider. It is like a zip line. There is also Sky Swing and the Sky Wheel. Unfortunately, we're not able to ride those two. Okay guys, now we're going to ride the horse. It's my first time riding a horse. But at first, I was scared to ride the horse because it may seem like I will fall because the horse might be naughty. I'm falling.
No, it's not. Hold tight.
Huwag kang tatagilid, Ellie. Kuya, paalala ya.
In the middle, Uncle Ellie.
Don't move, Ellie. Matutumba ka.
In the middle.
Relax.
But after a while, I managed to finally get the hang of it and enjoy horseback riding. They have different accommodations for you to stay, but we did not see that because we only had day tour for lunch and some rides. So now it's time to eat our lunch. As you can see, we are inside a net, so no insects can come inside. Now they served us fish, rice, and some veggies, and even some noodles and soup. These fishes that we're gonna eat are the fishes that we actually caught earlier. And I had to eat 6 of them because I caught 6 fishes, and it made me full.